Hey, everybody. Zachary
Hi.
and Dad. Today we're going to be flying the foam fighter SU-27. Got it from where? Amazon?
I have no idea.
Yeah, we got it from Amazon.
Oh, because I never paid attention to anyone.
So we're going to get some videos of this and see how it works. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Stay tuned. Okay, we have a storm coming up there. See those clouds? So we have to do this soon. Okay.
Okay.
We're not going to use our runway. We're going to start it off right in flight. So go ahead, Zachary, give it some speed.
Okay.
You got more speed?
Yeah, it's
That's full speed?
Yeah, okay. Anytime they go. Ready?
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here it goes. Let's do it. Let's do it and take off and then go that way.
Okay. Ready?
You ready? Oh. Reset. Left. More gas, more gas. Get it to come back our way. Awesome landing, kid. All right, we got to take it back to the runway.
Yeah. It's table grass.
Still in one piece?
Can you tell them where we are?
Where are we?
Bear Creek Park.
Okay. Anybody else with their airplanes want to come out and fly their planes with us? Come on.
Show them the field. This is great.
Beautiful field. Great city, great park. There's a pond over there. There's a stream that goes through the park. All right, let's do it. Well, I'd say the test flight is a success, kid. And this kid is a natural born pilot. Amazing. Okay.
We did one off camera.
Let me see. Show me your airplane. Let me get a picture of you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Success?
Yes.
All right. Thanks for watching.
On the one way that we have or something?
Yeah.
Make sure it's a table one way.
Storm is coming. Awesome! Awesome takeoff and landing, sir! Whoa, awesome.
Straight to me.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to get a little bit of rain. We got our jet ready to fly. Zachary, ignition.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Bring it back this way. Bring it back. This way. Bring it back this way. Oh, nice flying. All right, taking off again. Going into the wind. We got a storm coming. We're starting to get some sprinkles.
I don't like storms.
Zachary, ignition, and blast off. Nice. All right, Zachary, in conclusion, what do you think of this SU-27 foam jet fighter airplane remote control? What do you think of it?
Good.
How much did you pay for it on Amazon?
$49? Yeah, it's definitely in 40s or something.
Okay, so I don't know how much it was.
Yes, same.
Mommy bought it. Very cool though. Do
Yeah.
you approve it for other kids to play with?
Yes.
And how old are you?
7.
Okay. Approved by
Actually-
7-year-olds.
No, wait. It's good. It's good for over 5 or is 5.
Okay. All right. Over 5, Zach says. I think it's good for even me because I think it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, because you're grown up.
Yeah.
I said over 5.
Yeah. And then I don't like to crash things and have them cost a lot of money. So.
That's the fun part then.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Thanks for watching our video. This is the adventures of Zachary. Thomas isn't here, but
Yeah.
Thomas right here. Team Thomas. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.